Stand up for Jesus, ye soldiers of the cross. Lift high his royal banner, it must not suffer loss. From victory unto victory, his army shall he lead, till every foe is vanquished, and Christ is Lord indeed. Stand up for Jesus, the trumpet call obey. For to the mighty conflict, indeed his glorious day. Ye that are men now serve him again unnumbered foes. Let courage rise with danger, and strength to strength oppose. Stand up for Jesus, stand in his strength alone. The arm of flesh will fail you, ye dare not trust your own. Put on the gospel armor, each piece put on with prayer. Where duty call or danger, be never wanting there. Stand up for Jesus, the strife will not be long. This day the night of battle, the next the victor song. To him that overcome, a cloud of light shall be. He with the King of glory shall reign eternally.